All right, so we have our new quadratic equation. We have x squared minus 10x plus 6. We want to know what the zeros are. So I'm going to go ahead and do this using our graphing calculator. And just because I think it'll be easier and quicker. So we have x squared minus 10x plus 6. All right, and we're going to graph this. All right, if I look at my graph here, I have two intersections on the x-axis. Oh, sorry, x, I put in the wrong equation. That should be plus 16. Let me fix my equation on here. That should be plus 16. And you still would have had zeros of the graph. It just would not be nice zeros of the graph. They would be fractions. Okay, so as you can see, we have intercepts here, -2 and 8. But I also want you to see, so we know that our x's of this equation are going to be x is equal to 2 and, not -2, 2 and 8. Those are the solutions. All right, now, but I also want you to see this looking at it from a table perspective. So if I go to second table, I'm going to change that to 0. All right, so I want to look at the 2 points where, first of all, I need to identify my vertex. I want to make sure that I identify where my vertex is at. Oh, there's my vertex. My vertex is there at 5, -9. The reason I want to identify my vertex is because, 1, your vertex may be your zero of the graph. 2, it'll let you be able to easily identify where the zeros are on your table because you can utilize the symmetric pairs. So if I look here, I identified my vertexes at 5, -9. So -8, -8, that's a symmetric pair. -5, -5, symmetric pair. 0, 0. That's what we were looking for. We were looking for the 0 and 0s to match, so that lets me know that my solutions to this graph are at 2 and 8. And that is, whoops, I don't want to stop it just yet. And that's it. That's all we're looking for. We've answered the questions. We have 2 solutions. And I will give you some more practice problems to do on your own. See you then.